What should a demand letter include for car accident claims? Imagine this. You've been in a car accident and now you're trying to get the compensation you deserve. Writing a demand letter might seem complicated, but it's really about clearly showing what happened and what you need. A well-crafted demand letter is a key step before going to court. It's a formal way to ask the insurance company for money to cover your injuries and damages. First, you need to include your full name and contact details. Make it easy for the insurance company to reach you. Then, list the names and contact information of everyone involved in the accident, including the other driver and witnesses if you have them. Be sure to include the date, time, and exact location of the crash. If you have a claim number from the insurance company, add that too. Next, describe what happened in detail. Explain how the accident occurred, mentioning the make, model, and year of the vehicles involved. Point out who was at fault and why. For example, if the other driver ran a red light or was speeding, mention it. Attach any police reports or witness statements that support your version of events. Then, list all injuries you suffered from the accident. Be specific about each injury and how it affects your daily life. For example, if you have a broken arm that makes it hard to work or do household chores, say so. Include medical records, x-rays, or doctors' notes that verify your injuries. You also need to itemize your financial losses. This includes medical bills for emergency care, hospital stays, medications, and therapy. Add up lost wages if you couldn't work because of your injuries. Include costs for repairing or replacing your car and any other expenses directly related to the accident. Don't forget to describe non-financial damages. Talk about the pain and emotional distress caused by the accident. Explain how it has affected your enjoyment of life. While these damages are harder to put a dollar amount on, they are still important. Be clear about how much money you are asking for. State a specific total that covers your damages and injuries. Make sure this amount is reasonable based on your documented losses. Setting a fair figure helps keep negotiations open. Include a deadline for the insurance company to respond. Usually, 30 days is standard, but it can vary. This encourages them to reply promptly and start negotiations. Finally, keep your tone professional, polite, and organized. Your letter should be easy to read and free of errors. It's best to avoid revealing too much legal strategy but include enough evidence to support your claim. By including all these elements, your demand letter becomes a strong tool to seek fair compensation. If the insurance company doesn't respond or denies your claim, this letter becomes a formal record before you consider legal action. Working with a personal injury lawyer can help you tailor the letter to your specific case and improve your chances of a positive outcome.